Good morning, class 3. How are you? Fine. Okay, can you please take out your English book? English. Okay. So open to page number chapter 4. Page number 35. Okay? Page number 35. So this story I have divided into two parts. Okay? Part A and part B. Okay? So, chapter 4, the magic paintbrush. The magic paintbrush. So, today we are going to learn about the magic paintbrush. Okay? So, part 1, okay? Part A. So, this is a story about a little boy live in China. Okay? And the boy name is Lee. Okay, so Lee had a live with his grandparents. Okay, so Lee and his grandparents hardly had food, any food sometime. Okay, they are very poor and they could not afford, but even then Lee and his grandparents were very happy because whatever food they get and whatever they have, they used to share with the people with his neighborhood. Okay, and they used to live happily. So Lee was very fond of what? Drawing or painting. Okay, but as his grandparents was also very poor, they could not afford to buy what? Paintbrush, colors. Okay, so the picture which Lee drew look as if they were real. Okay, he can draw very nicely and very neatly and very beautifully. Okay, so what Lee used to do? He used to take charcoal. Okay, he used to paint his picture. Okay, with the burnt pieces of charcoal left over from his grandparents what? Firewood. Okay, so what happened? It was a hard time in China. Okay, so the weather was very bad and the rivers of China and the fields were dried up. Okay, and the people were very hungry. Okay, because of bad weather they cannot cultivate. Okay, that's why people they are living in hard times. So Lee always wanted to help the people of China. Okay, and he used to think about the people of China, how to help. So while he was thinking, one day while he was thinking to help the people of China, what happened? Lee fell asleep under a tree. Okay, so he started dreaming. So in his dream an old man came. Okay, who came? An old man came in his dream with a paintbrush. Okay, so after his dream, what happened? Lee wake up from his sleep or his dream. Okay, and he saw that a real paintbrush was lying next to him. Okay, and Lee was very happy by finding the paintbrush. Okay, so as soon as he saw the paintbrush, he took the paintbrush and he started painting, making a what? Bird. After he finished drawing bird, what happened? The bird became real and they flew away. Okay, so from that, when the bird flew away, Lee knew that it was a magic paintbrush given by whom? Yes, an old man who came in his dream. So as Lee was always thinking to help his people, what he did? Lee began drawing what? Rivers, green fields, and food and berries and clothes for the people of China. And at last everything which he drew, like rivers, green fields, food and berries and clothes, it became real, and the people of China were very happy by getting all the things like food, clothes, berries, and by looking at rivers and green fields which came to real. Okay, so the next remaining parts which I have not discussed, I will discuss in part B. Okay, in next class. So have you understood the story? Yes. So if you have understood, then I will give some more question. Okay, you write it down in your copy. Okay, so question number 1, can you please note down in your notebook? Question number 1. Okay, where did a little boy named Lee live? Where did a little boy named Lee live? Can you answer? Yes, little boy named Lee live in where? Yes, China. Okay, next question. With whom do Lee live? With whom do Lee live? Okay, can you answer? Yes, I'm not going to give answer. Okay, you have to do by yourself. Okay, and 3, some more question. Lee and his grandparents were poor, but they were happy. Why? Okay, you write answer by yourself. Okay, Lee and his grandparents were poor, but they were happy. Why? Okay, and number 4 question. Okay, what did Lee use to draw pictures before he get the paintbrush? What did Lee use before he got the magic paintbrush? Yes, I have told you in story, no? So you can answer. Okay, last question for you. Okay, that is, where did Lee sleep and began dreaming? Okay, where did Lee sleep and began dreaming? These 5 questions I have given you. Okay, you just write it down in your copy. Okay, class. So the remaining parts I will discuss in next class, that is in part B. Okay, so have you understood the story nicely, student? Yes. So enough for today. Okay, thank you, class.